I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to type accents, symbols, and special characters on an Android device. Step 1. Tap into any text field in an app to open your on-screen Android keyboard. Step 2. To type an accented character, tap and hold your finger on the letter key you want to modify. For example, press and hold the letter E to see options like E with an acute accent, grave accent, or circumflex. Step 3. Slide your finger over to the specific accented character you want to use and then lift your finger to insert it into your text. Step 4. To type special symbols or numbers, tap the 1, 2, 3 or symbol key at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Step 5. If you do not see the specific symbol you need on the main symbol page, tap the /, or secondary symbol key to access additional characters like currency signs, math symbols, and brackets. Just like with letter keys, you can also press and hold certain symbol keys to reveal hidden variations, such as holding the $sign to choose other world currency symbols. If you frequently type in multiple languages and need faster access to accented characters, you can add additional language layouts directly to your keyboard settings. Open your Android settings, select System or General Management, navigate to the Interaction section, and then tap Keyboard. Tap Keyboard Apps in this menu. From here, choose your active keyboard like Gboard, tap Languages, and add your preferred language layout. Once added, you can quickly switch between languages by tapping or holding the globe icon on your keyboard, which automatically updates autocorrect and accent suggestions for that language. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.